Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. In this video, I'm going to show you a cool tip in order to restore the old right click menu in Windows 11. Right now, if I want the legacy Windows menu, I have to right click and click on show more options in order to see this. However, I have a simple solution for that. Just open the terminal in Windows. Right click, just run as administrator. After that, I have these following lines that you need to be added in order to make it work. So these are registry settings that needs to be added. So just copy these settings and just paste it over here and hit enter, and this operation has been successfully completed. Right now you have to restart your PC in order to see the changes. Let me show you after that. So guys, I had restarted my system. Let's see the effect. Right click and you will able to see this right click contact menu, so you don't have to navigate a lot more. So that's it. I hope you like this tutorial and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel.